Summer adventures feel brighter with our 2025 Chevrolet Suburban Z71 4x4. Waiting for you at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. Whether you're off to the cottage, cruising New Brunswick's scenic shores, or tackling rugged camping trails, this full-size SUV is ready to handle it all. With room for up to 8 and 3 rows of spacious comfort, everyone can come along for the fun, including all your gear. Equipped with the rugged Z71 off-road package, this Suburban is built for confidence on gravel back roads and rainy highways. Add in driver assist features like blind zone steering assist and rear cross traffic braking, and every trip feels safer. Plus, its powerful 4x4 system ensures you're ready for anything, from summer storms to dirt trails. Inside, you'll find heated leather seats, a sunroof to soak up the sunshine, and an advanced infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep everyone entertained. And when you buy here, you're backed by our 12-month huggable guarantee. A full tank of gas, balance of factory warranty, a spin on our spin to win gas wheel, and so much more. Load up, buckle in, and start your next unforgettable adventure today.
We'll give you a hug,